Hello and welcome to Gate to Aerospace Lab. In this video, I will be discussing the 3-month plan for GATE Aerospace examination. This plan was followed by me long back when I was a GATE candidate. I hope this should work for you also. However, you can have your own plan also. Coming to the topic, now it is less than 3 months for GATE examination. Now it's time to revise and revise only. It's better not to start any new topic now. See, for competition examination, consolidation is more important than expansion. Okay, whatever you have studied, you should revise all those things. That is very important for a competitive examination. To revise, you can make the group of subjects for each day, like I have made here. 2 subjects revision per day. You can have your own subjects pair for each day as per of your comfort. You should revise 2 subjects in a day and next day other 2 subjects. So you can revise all these subjects in 3 days. So weekly you can revise your paper twice. Here you should dedicate 1 hour each day for aptitude, as it consists 15 marks and it is very important and decisive for the rank. The question is what to revise. As of now, you will be having your own notes. You should revise all key concept, formula from your notes. Don't leave any part of your notes. Revise it thoroughly. Okay? Solve previous year question and make a note on the key concepts that was asked in previous year paper, because the paper will not deviate much from the previous year paper. The level of the question will be same. So please make your note on key concepts asked in previous year paper. Always use GATE calculator while solving the numericals. You should make yourself very comfortable with the GATE calculator, and you can make yourself expert of that calculator, that you are very comfortable with that calculator. Then you should give your online test very honestly. You see how much time you are taking to complete the paper. Topic wise paper, previous year question, then you can go for full length test also. And you should see that you are capable of completing the full paper within 2.5 hours. Not 3 hours, 2.5 hours. You should be able to complete your paper. 30 minutes you should keep for going through the paper, that you have answered everything, correctly. For that you should keep 30 minutes in your hand. Fine. From January onwards, you should solve full length paper and make yourself comfortable for solving 65 questions in 3 hours in a length of 3 hours, continuous length of 3 hours. You should not take break in between. Okay. Then while solving, you point out your silly mistakes and work on that. If you don't work on that, it will cost a lot while in competition examination. At last, you should be very confident, focused and motivated for the examination. Thank you. I hope it should work for you. Now we are starting a batch from 1st March 2021 for GATE 2022 examination. You can contact on this number or you can contact through mail for the GATE guidance. Thank you.